All right, welcome back, YouTube. In today's episode, I installed a cheap train horn off of Amazon, and it's actually pretty loud for what I paid for, so check it out. So I had to do a little modification underneath here. So I got my air compressor right here, and I got my train horn over there. So it's all working. It's actually pretty loud. So here's a little, oh yeah, that's actually pretty loud. I dig it. So right here is my switch for the air compressor. If I turn it off, you know, it won't fill up the air compressor. So that's here. I left it on because, I mean, it just automatically does it when it needs to get filled up. So I just left it on, and that wire is running all the way right here, and it goes down through the fender. It goes down all the way to the fender, and then attaches, where's it at? And it comes out right there, then goes straight out like this to right here. And this is where my air compressor is at. So all of that is wired up. It's hidden, you can't really see it, but it's all hooked up in here. And then I just wired my actual horn, which is right there. So I wired those horns to my actual horn that comes from the factory, and I just hardwired it, and you can't, it's tucked in there. So that's hardwired to my actual horn. I pretty much wired the actual train horn to my original horn that comes with the truck. So I hardwired it so that every time I hit the horn on my steering wheel, it'll actually be the train horn that sounds, and not the actual horn that comes with these trucks, because that one's pretty lame. So that's it. Just wanted to share it with you guys, show you how loud it was. But the truck is looking minty now.